Google is making some big changes with the upcoming Pixel 11 Pro XL, and one of the most surprising updates is actually about a feature that's being removed. The company is reportedly dropping the temperature sensor that first appeared on the Pixel 8 Pro. At the time, Google presented it as a unique feature that could measure the temperature of objects and even scan a person's forehead. But in reality, most users barely used it. Many people felt it was more of a gimmick than something useful in daily life. Now, Google seems to be learning from that feedback. Instead of focusing on features that look impressive in ads but don't really matter, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to focus on practical upgrades that improve the overall user experience. And one of the biggest additions could be something called Pixel Glow. Pixel Glow is rumored to replace the temperature sensor completely. It's a new notification system built directly into the redesigned camera bar. Instead of simple notification lights, Google may use physical LEDs that create different lighting patterns for calls, messages, AI interactions, and alerts. Users could even customize the colors and patterns for specific contacts or apps. A lot of people are already comparing Pixel Glow to the Glyph lighting system on Nothing phones, but Google seems to be taking a more polished and minimal approach. Instead of flashy lights everywhere, Pixel Glow is designed to blend into the phone's design while still being useful. It's a small detail, but it could make the Pixel feel more modern and unique. The camera bar itself is also getting a redesign. Google is reportedly reducing the visible cutouts to create a cleaner and more seamless look. Over the years, the Pixel camera bar has become one of the phone's signature design elements, and now Google wants to refine it even more. The goal appears to be making the device look premium while still keeping that recognizable Pixel identity. Inside the phone, there are also some major upgrades coming. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to use Google's new Tensor G6 processor. This chip should deliver better performance, improved AI processing, and higher power efficiency. Google has always focused heavily on AI features with its Tensor chips, and this new version is expected to push things even further. Another big change is the modem. Reports suggest Google may finally replace Samsung's modem with the MediaTek M90 modem. That's important because modem performance has been one of the biggest complaints with previous Pixel phones. Better connectivity, stronger signal performance, and improved battery efficiency could make a huge difference in daily use. The display is also getting serious upgrades. Rumors suggest a 6.8-inch or even 6.89-inch LTPO OLED display with refresh rates ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Some leaks even mention support for 144 Hz. Brightness could reportedly hit between 3,300 and 4,000 nits, which would make it one of the brightest smartphone displays ever made. Google is also improving the cameras again, which is no surprise because Pixel phones are already known for excellent photography. The Pixel 11 Pro XL could feature a triple 50 meets rear camera setup including a main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and 5x telephoto camera. The front camera may also jump to as high as 48 mAh. Battery upgrades are expected too. The phone may include a battery between 5200 mAh and 5,500 mAh, along with faster wired charging between 45W and 67W. Wireless charging support is also rumored to improve with Qi 2 compatibility. Design-wise, Google seems to be going all in on minimalism. Slimmer bezels, fewer distractions, and a cleaner overall appearance are expected to make the Pixel 11 Pro XL look more modern than previous generations. Instead of adding random features just to stand out, Google appears focused on refining the experience people actually care about. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to launch in August 2026, although Google hasn't officially confirmed the date yet. But based on these leaks, the company may finally be shifting toward a smarter strategy, removing underused features like the temperature sensor and replacing them with practical ideas like Pixel Glow could help the Pixel lineup stand out in a much more meaningful way. If these rumors turn out to be true, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could become one of Google's most polished and user-focused smartphones yet.